Hi, I'm Paul, Program Manager here at Azure Group.
Hi, I'm Taruna, the SMB Biz Apps Lead at Microsoft Canada.
Welcome to our Dynamics Business Central web series. To learn more about us in this series, please watch the season trailer episode linked below. Previously, we reviewed pain points that the businesses generally experience.
In this specific episode, the first one, we're basically dedicating to walk you through a typical business journey and its various pivotal steps within an organization. And so within this journey, we will discover various personas, which typically helps a business run. From sales and marketing to operations to the CEO, you'll learn exactly how a unified system help each persona be successful in their day-to-day. And of course, instead of boring you with an hour-long video, we thought that we would cut it into 5 additional episodes, which will go more in depth into each personas. And so if you're searching to improve your day-to-day and you're someone in accounting and finance, well, then you can watch that specific episode to learn more. And of course, if you're curious to understand how a unified system can improve your whole organization, then I also welcome you to watch all the other episodes leading up to yours. I may be a little bit biased, but I think you'll be truly impressed to see how technology can create better synergies amongst your team.
Like Taruna mentioned, in this episode, we'll discover various personas as we will be providing a tailored approach to meet the specific needs different departments encounter throughout a typical business journey, as well as how each persona can benefit from Dynamics 365 Business Central. Let's see this business case as ProBark Manufacturing. They manufacture tables and chairs made out of tree bark and have already gone through their digital transformation. Let's see what's working for them.
So here's a typical business journey. Each persona works together for the business to succeed, and each playing their part in the overall journey. And so we're going to take you step by step into each persona in their journey and discuss generally what the roles and tasks look like for each persona. And then, of course, how Business Central can help it better improve their day-to-day. So like most businesses, we'll start with sales and marketing and then move to operation and finally see the impact of all their work through the lens of accounting and finance. We'll also provide an overview of what matters most to IT in this journey and how the CEO views its business. And we understand that your business may not be as linear as this one, but the goal is to simplify the journey so that you can envision it within your environment.
What usually matters to most people in sales and marketing is managing your contacts, creating sales contracts, and update quotes with agility. After all, you want that sale to trigger your business journey. And when ProBark Manufacturing gets a customer, the sales and marketing team must manage the contact, provide them quotes, and finalize the sales contract with that customer.
For instance, let's say you receive an email from Jim, who is planning an office renovation. Being familiar with your products, he requests a quote for tables and chairs. And instead of having to open your quoting system, Business Central is an add-on in Outlook, ensuring that you don't need to navigate between sometimes 2, 3, or even 4 systems. More importantly, Jim's domain is being recognized by the system, contact management, which helps Inga quickly create her new quote. And so we'll explore more of this in depth in the next episode, but keep in mind, it's all about productivity in the cloud.
Now that the contract's signed, it's time to get those orders processed. This is no simple task. A lot is involved in operations. Along with making those tables and chairs, we have to manage all the raw tree bark and other inventory, managing all those employees who are making the furniture, shipping the product to their customers, managing order returns, cancellations, and forecasting. That's a lot to handle. Business Central has some great modules that allow us to manage procurement, warehousing, and manufacturing. Along with those modules, Business Central can also manage employees' timesheets and resourcing, integrated costing and pricing to have a centralized location where everyone can quickly grab company information and status.
So coming back to Jim, his renovations are going well and he needs more furniture. In fact, he needs them by the 3rd week of June. If you're on the operations teams at your business, think about how managing that request would actually happen. With ProBark and Business Central, not only is Jim's domain recognized by the system, items that he's requesting are as well. And so he can easily create a work order to meet Jim's timeline, all from Outlook.
Now that we've processed our orders, we now must manage the accounting side of the journey. This covers invoice payments, expense and asset management, and bank reconciliation. It's all about ensuring your accounts receivables and payables are received and paid on time. With the integrated reporting of Business Central, month year-end closing is easily produced as you go.
For IT, what matters most is security. Since your business's data is in the cloud, how easy is it to manage your employee's identity? For ProBark, they're reassured that Business Central is built on Azure and benefit from all the security research that Microsoft conducts. Did you know that Microsoft is actually observing around 12 million cyber attacks a day? Can you imagine having to manage this type of security on your own? With Microsoft, you benefit from a large team countering these cyber attacks. And all these learnings are then embedded into every Microsoft solution.
The needs of the CEO is to ensure that their company is working effectively and to gain synergies where possible. Ultimately, the CEO is searching for a 360 view of their business.
So data is the most important commodity these days, but not many businesses are able to pull real-time information from their business. Moreover, the data often comes in the form of Excel workbooks. I have nothing against Excel, don't get me wrong, but if I were the CEO of my company, I would imagine not having much time to decipher all these workbooks and to be able to understand where my business currently stands. So with Power BI, which is integrated with Business Central, I can quickly review what is most important to me in a visual way. So these reports are also connected directly to the source, meaning that any update from the field are instantly seen in the reports. And so we'll explore reporting and everything else that is important to a CEO in our episode 5. Once again, this isn't your traditional webinar, so you can expect to quickly find the information you need from our videos, as they will be categorized by what is most important to you. And also, we're keeping them short, so no need to pretty much book an hour of your time to go through a video.
Thank you for watching this Dynamics 365 Business Central web series episode dedicated to business journey. In our next episode, we'll drill into the sales and marketing persona to show you the components within Business Central that will help this persona to accomplish their business needs. If you like this content or you think of someone in your network would benefit from it, share and tag us or comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to be notified when the new episode's released. Thanks a lot, Taruna.
Thank you. Bye.